Think about me before you go. Think about me before you go.
Guys, welcome to South Beach, Miami. We found parking here, perfect spot, and I'm going to tell you how much it is in a few seconds per hour. But so far, I'd rather have like nice and secure parking instead of parking on the streets, which I did see. But we're early morning here, so that's why you can probably find parking, and it's Saturday as well. There you go. Oh my God, we're on Ocean Drive. Déjà already busy, guys. Imagine at nighttime. Very nice. Oh yeah. Here. What? This is like the best parking ever.
Dude.
Welcome to South Beach. Oye, pues. Here. Oh, look at this.
What? Yeah.
That's fun, man. All right, we're about to enter South Beach. Let's see. Public. She said $25. I say minimum 65. Hi there. How much is it for 2 umbrellas and
Sorry, one umbrella and 2 chairs?
Yeah.
One umbrella, 2 chairs will be about 65, 61.
Okay, for the whole day?
Until 5 o'clock, yes.
Okay,
Sir.
so that's good to know. All right, perfect.
Tell
Thank you
her-
so much. Appreciate it.
Pleasure. You guys have
You have a good one.
Looked it
Guess
up.
who won? Won again. I said 65 and I got it. Yes?
You
I
looked
swear,
it up.
I swear to God, I didn't look it up. It was a wild guess.
Wow.
So guess what? Guess who's back in South Beach? We're in Sunny Isles, which is about a half-hour drive to South Beach. And it's a huge difference. Not huge, but I would say 30 to 40% more clear here in South Beach, Miami. A lot of people too, obviously for Saturday, makes sense. But it's not even like December or January holidays, and there's so many people. It's crazy. Hope you guys enjoy the drone shots as well. Amigos, friends, wow. Super clear water here. 4K walking here. Beautiful sound of the beach. Beautiful. Look at this. And just like that, we are officially at a sandbar.
Wild.
Love it. Mother Nature is beautiful. Look how far we are. Look how far we are. Crazy.
Can it just be us tonight? Under the night sky, gonna make my skin rise. Can it just be us tonight? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? 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 Comes from the inside. Do you believe in magic? Comes from the inside. When you're in the dark, secrets I keep. Let the world just fade away. You're all I need. Can it just be us tonight? No one can see. Give you my trust tonight. It's yours to keep. Let's fall in love tonight. In the right place, at the right time. Can we fall in love?
Welcome to South Beach in the evening. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful night here. Saturday night, people are getting ready to go out. Beautiful car. I'll take that home, no problem. I'm talking about the car, by the way. Wow, I can't believe how packed. Look at this beauty. What's up, dude? So cute. Wow, I can't believe after like 15 years of not coming to South Beach, it's so freaking popular, man. Can't believe it. Wow, wow, wow. Dude, what's going on? What's going on? You feeling? Yeah. Demon
I
crash.
call them
I love
demon
that.
crash.
Okay, thank you.
Every time a demon crash, I go fucking broke when they're gone. Oh, God. Back in the days, my mom will be 75.
Thank you, sweetie.
So back
Thank
in
you.
our grandparents' days, everybody was Republican. Okay?
Yeah.
Even the slaves. I said they had slaves, but they had their own property.
Yeah.
But Republicans, the Democrats came about with
Democrats.
Andrew Jackson.
Yeah.
But back in the days, everyone was sovereign,
Yeah.
and they were
You said the
Republican.
key word.
Sovereign. God damn. Love it. God bless you, girls. Have a great evening. Happy birthday. Look at this car. Oh my God. Naz.
Yes, that's the one you saw this morning.
Wow.
That's a nice hat.
Thanks, buddy. Yeah, you told me about it. That's a nice hat, bro. Good. Here's a bit dark. Wow. God. Battery's dying. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed the South Beach video. I hope you enjoyed the drone shots. Look at my shirt, XRP Army. And we're having a last bite to eat here. I'm not exactly sure what the name of this place is. Pipole. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Adios.
And don't forget to subscribe to Hype.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh,
See it.
sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Hype by Travel. We out. Peace. Be kind, but love. Be kind, but love.